What's up everybody, it's Kbeauty. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a colorful cut crease with a color brow using our neon pigments from Royal Gang Cosmetics. Here's our pigments right here, and I'm not going to waste any more time. Let's just get right into it, shall we? Okay, so now we're going to be using our blank canvas base from Kbeauty, and we're just going to be putting this product all over the eyelid using our Morphe M173 brush. And as you can see, I'm just blending until the product is nice and smooth and dry. Going in with our first neon pigment, which is the pink. I also use this pink for my brows. We're just placing this pigment into our crease area. So now we're just taking that orange pigment and placing it right over that pink pigment, and using circular motions, we're just going to blend them together. Same thing, different color. Now we're taking that yellow pigment and placing it right over our orange pigment to help blend them together, still using circular motions. And now it's time to cut it. So we're taking our makeup remover and a Q-tip, and we are just going to literally carve out the shape of our desired cut crease, whether you want to do a wing cut crease, a full cut crease, half cut crease, whatever your desire. We're just cleaning it up and shaping it how we want it. So we're going to be using that same blank canvas base from Kbeauty that we use to prime our eyelids for our pigments. We're going to use that to cut our crease. So as you can see, I'm just taking that product and I'm just cutting my crease. Now going back in with all three of those pigments that we, oh my gosh, look at the pigment. Shout out to Purple Haze for these pigments, that's all I got to say. But yeah, we're using those same three pigments that we used on the lid, and we're just packing it onto our crease, like so. Now let's wing it. So we are going to use our NYX vinyl liner, and we're going to start by just drawing a little line like so. Draw that line, girl. Draw that line, girl. Alright, so now we're going to draw our second line, and we're going to draw this one going down from the first one, as you can see. And then from here, all we're going to do is fill it in and continue to connect the line all the way to the front of the eyelid. And that's pretty much it. Okay, so let's get into this face. Using our Juvia's Place Stick Foundation in the shade Cameroon, we're just blending this product into the skin with our Real Techniques Expert Face Brush, like so. So now let's get into this highlight and this contour using our Juvia's Place concealer in the number 14, I believe. We're just going to go ahead and highlight our T-zones. Now keep in mind, this is the area of the face that the sun naturally shines, okay? So we are just going to brighten it up just a bit. You know what I'm saying? Forehead, let's go. Let go, let go, let go. Y'all already know what's next. Let's contour using our black opal stick foundation in the shade Ebony Brown, I believe. So we are just going to enhance those cheekbones, snatch that jawline, that nose, that forehead, that chin to give us a slimmer appearance, you know what I'm saying? So now we are just going to blend everything together. Using our Real Techniques contour brush, we're just gonna blend that out, blend out that nose contour to snatch it up real quick, you know what I'm saying? And then we're gonna use our Real Techniques beauty blender, and we're just going to blend out that concealer. If it's wet, then you need to set. So now we're using our Juvia's Place I Am Magic setting powder in the shade Kalari to set our face. So we're pretty much just pressing this powder into our skin. This is going to help prevent the oils from coming through your makeup. Same thing with our contour, using our Pro Contour palette from Profusion, and we're just setting our contour. Okay, girl. Okay, so now let's get these lips together. We're going to be using our matte liquid lipstick from the crayon case in the shade Gumbo, one of my absolute faves. And we're just gonna line our lips like so. And then we're going to fill them in with our NYX matte liquid lipstick in the shade Rouge, I believe. Don't let me lie to you, I gotta double check. Let's add some color to our cheeks using our Watch Me Blush palette from the crayon case. We're gonna go in with Berries and Hot Cocoa. Hey. Okay, so now it's time to highlight using my absolute favorite highlighter from the crayon case, Angulola. And do y'all see why? This highlighter is the perfect highlighter for melanin skin, period. And last but not least, make sure you set that face, baby girl. And oh my gosh, look how adorable this is. It's super, super cute. But I feel like something's missing. Hold on. Up. Girl, I know you lying. Hey, girl. Ooh, bow. Okay, y'all let me know what y'all thought of this video in the comments below. Please make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what y'all want to see next. And oh my gosh, look at the low light, baby girl. Look at the pigment. Oh my gosh. Shout out to Purple Haze once again for these pigments. Y'all make sure y'all shop Royal Gang Cosmetics. And until next time, y'all be easy.